Hi guys. The setup may look a little bit crazy and well, we are going to test a system that I already confirmed that it works. So basically what we are doing, we have headphones on my chest and we are looking at my heart using this simple cardiogram. So at least it was able to show the PQRST complex, so how the heart is beating, and it's kind of playing back how it sounds. And I tested it with oxiometer and it actually works. How far could you take this? Who knows? But let's check my heart. So I'm gonna share this code. Perhaps I should not be showing this to you because I just got it, so I have no idea if this is gonna work. But so I'm choosing an audio device. I have my Focusrite Solo audio card, and I'm setting it up. So I have that's as the default, and speakers are going through it too, and I actually have an amplifier here. But so basically, if you plug headphones that you can wrap around your chest, this might work. So so we have beat threshold. Patches. So when I speak, the voice carries through the body to the heart, of course, and messes up the thing. But what you were seeing there was the so-called PQRST. So there is a slight bump, then there is P, then there is a slight thing down. That's Q, then R, and then S, slight thing down, and then there's a T, and that is called the PQRST complex that comes from the sinus of the heart side. And actually, I have the PQ. I know it's been prolonged. I actually haven't tested it in a while, but probably do my epilepsy medications. But so if I'm quiet, so there you see there's the T, there is the R, there's P somewhere hiding here. But what was the most amazing bradycardia? It's not 22, it's probably 44 here, but it was missing couple. But what was most amazing, I had a version of this. So as you guys hear, you can hear your heart. Uh, I think you can if you take this to the max. Of course, I mean ideally you have something like this. You slap to your heart, and why do I have this? Well, I had some tests done, but I think you could take this really far. I think you can take this really far. Folks with access to Midas, the newest AI from Claude or Anthropic, I think you could take this really super duper far because first of all, you are able to have stereo channels that are going to be able to look at the heart from the back and the front. I think you can make pretty good device with this if the patient is still breathing. Like DeepSeek was saying that basically what you can do with this, you can recognize breathing, you can recognize heart, but what's kind of interesting is how far can you go to the recognizing like what's happening in the body. I had an earlier version of this that actually when you were listening to it you could hear the body sounds like literally the stuff moving and so forth, but very very interesting, very very interesting. But anybody wants to go to town with this, take this version or ask from AI to make much more complex version, they can do this. And I'll have this on GitHub as simple cardiogram so you guys can be inspired, or AI can be inspired. But anyway, I hope you guys have